So just wanted to say that I only have like a couple hours of sleep in me due to some IRL things that I had to take care of. So this is going to be a little bit of a low energy update, but you know. Hey guys, so last week went monotone for a bit, so we're gonna throw out that script. I wanted to start with the shop sequence. I wanted to like get more work done on that. Customers coming in and actually making customer profiles because currently there isn't any customer profiles. Like, there's no way for the customers to increase the amount of money that they have. They don't have like personalities. It's just, it's the same customer basically every single time. So I wanted to work on that. I wanted to work on them coming into the shop, but I didn't know how I was going to do the shop upgrades. So I felt like I needed to get a good chunk of that done in order to figure out like what I was going to do moving forward, because I didn't want to like work all this shop sequence stuff and then find out that because of the way I'm making the shop, then I need to change things. So what I want to demo for you today is basically how I envision the building. It's not completely done, but let me go ahead and jump right in and show you. So if you pull up B, which, I'm not sure if this is going to be the final UI, but this is how I'm using it. So if you hit one of these pads, it'll spawn in basically part of your shop. So at the start, you'll probably start with maybe one or two, and then you'll open up your shop and it'll be pretty small. And then as you go on, you can there would be some sort of upgrade system, and then you can spawn in more, and then you can also decide what walls you want to have here. Just like that. And then I also was thinking about a possibility. I don't think I'm going to need the extra room, but just in case I need like a second floor to the shop, I'm thinking I could do something like that. So, yeah, it's basic right now, but and there's more stuff I want to do with it, but so far I think this is in a good enough state to then move forward with going back to the shop sequence, because I think I got this. And then also another thing I want to say is that if you build your shop, you're gonna have to save it. So if I pull up, let's see, E, I can do a save, and then I can shut down the game and run it again. And I had some issues with this. The JSON serialization didn't like nested arrays, so I had to convert some code to use different data. So now if I open it up, we're going to go ahead and hit load, and you can see right there I have loaded in the shop that I just created. So that is working, so don't need to worry about that for a bit. And looking at this, I'm a little, conflicted, because like part of me is like, it's not where I want it to be, but the other part of me is like, yeah, but like this took some technical work to get this working and to get this saving and to do all that. So I don't know. I'm happy with where it's at right now. I do want to do more work before the game's done on this feature, but I'm pushing for next week being shop sequence stuff, because I need to start fleshing that out. I really do.